Hello and welcome to the 72DL Plus hardware overview. In this video, we're going to cover the main hardware components of the 72DL Plus. Let's begin. Starting with the front face of the instrument, we have the adjustment knob. This can be rotated clockwise or counterclockwise to increase or decrease the value of a parameter. Below that are the 5 hotkeys and the power key. The hotkeys are used to perform specific functions such as save or send a measurement, calibration, or to freeze the A-scan, and are covered in detail in another video in this series. I recommend taking a look at that one as well. Lastly, we have the 7-inch touchscreen. This has many uses and controls, all of which are also described in a separate video in this series. Moving on to the top of the instrument, we have several connectors. Starting from the left, we have a dual LEMO connector that is color-coded with a red and blue side. The red side is labeled as TR, or transmit receive, and should be used when operating the instrument in pulse echo mode with a single element transducer. The blue side is labeled as R, or receive only, and would be used when operating the instrument in through transmission mode. Next, we have the high frequency BNC connector. This is used when connecting high frequency transducers in the 20 to 125 megahertz range. If the high frequency option was not purchased, this BNC connector will be absent with a plug covering this area. Next, we have the multi-purpose 19-pin I/O connector. This has various uses ranging from RS-232 output to connecting a foot switch or an external alarm. Lastly, we have the DC power connector, used to charge the battery or power the instrument when there is no battery installed. The 72DL Plus uses the same charger as the Bondmaster 600, Nortek 600, all of our conventional flaw detectors, as well as our thickness gauges. On the right side of the 72DL Plus, we have the data port release latch with an easy slide to open cover, revealing a micro HDMI connector, 2 USB Type A connectors, and a mini USB Type B connector. The micro HDMI connector is used to connect external displays. The 2 USB Type A connectors can be used interchangeably with a thumb drive to upgrade the instrument's software and export data, or to connect a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi dongle. The mini USB Type B connector is used to connect the 72DL Plus to a PC when using Myth, our new interface program for this instrument. Now, before moving on to the back of the instrument, I'd like to draw attention to the 4 mounting points at each corner. These can be used to attach a wrist strap, shoulder strap, or chest harness. On the back side of the instrument, there are also 2 additional mounting points. These are 1/4-inch threaded inserts, also known as 1/4-20 threaded inserts, and are compatible with most camera mounts and tripods. There is also the kickstand, which uses a friction hinge, providing the user with flexibility. Due to the kickstand's unique shape and its ability to be adjusted 180 degrees, this 72DLP can be propped up on a desk or a pipe, or could even be hung from a ladder or ledge. Below that, we have the battery door, sealed by 2 half-turn rotating latches. To open the battery door, turn the latches 180 degrees counterclockwise, and to seal the battery door, turn them 180 degrees clockwise. Within the battery door, there's the battery compartment, which just houses the battery. Please note the battery is keyed in a specific orientation. And with that, this concludes the 72DL Plus hardware overview.